Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick overview of this. When I know the rules about stock trading and stuff like that, that's why the cryptocurrencies are making a lot of people real rich, because there's certain rules you have to abide by. You can only day trade so many times before you're considered a day trader, and then there's certain stipulations where you have to have at least $25,000 in your account that you're trading with, and then you get qualified as a day trader, or even when you nighttime trade after the market's closed, when they're frozen and they're stuck at their certain prices. That's whenever you can usually buy and sell, but you can still only do it so much. See, with cryptocurrencies, there's no rules. You don't have to abide by. You can buy and sell 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and there's even bots that you can hook up, which I haven't started working with those yet, because I wanted to see that it makes sure this works. This Robinhood app, it is commission free. There are other apps that you can hook up to, and for digital wallets and whatnot. But for this, just for getting started, just so I can show it, you can cash out after you make money using their money that they give you. Get a free stock, no monthly fees, no subscription, and I've checked out a lot of stuff. And there's a lot of scams out there that take forever to cancel all your subscriptions that you didn't even know about. But there's still tricks to it. Whenever you go to buy, you have to make sure you're on USD and not BTC, because Bitcoin, they're right now they're at like $39,594. But you see those jumps up and down. I just made a video where I showed while it was going down in a bigger number, there were still jumps that were going up and down on the way down. And you can buy and sell and make money. And with this Robinhood app, you can get the cash management, and it actually shows that, whenever you get it, it's like, do you want to upgrade to cash management? It sounds like it's going to cost some money, but I've read all the terms and conditions. I stay fluent on the terms and conditions and all the sub terms and conditions, because stuff can change at any given moment. But this one was made by a couple kids that just wanted to put it out there, didn't even care to make money on it. And the way you can have a lot of money in it, which that gets kind of dangerous too, because you could end up buying on accident more Bitcoin than you wanted to, due to not making sure it's on USD rather than BTC, which is Bitcoin. There's certain things still that would be kind of scary, but if you ain't got no money, and me, I'm using $1 and haven't even sold the free stock, because after you hold on to the free stock for 30 days, you can technically sell it. So you could sell it and then still have money to actually buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. There are other ways to make money. There are other stocks you can buy. It would even benefit to use some of the money that you make to hold on to. Now, I already know there has to be people that are getting together in groups and doing this and making a lot more money because of the way you can buy and sell. And if you buy low and it keeps going lower, you don't sell it. You just have somebody else in a group that's actually buying it while it's lower. And if it doesn't go higher, then you don't sell it. You just hold on to it. But the bigger the group you have, the less time you have to wait before buying and selling more, because they're always going up and down. And if you look at these fluctuations on this Robinhood app, that's unreal in comparison to any other thing. They're totally commission free. You have live apps on there, and for free they give you $1,000 worth of instant as soon as you buying power. But that's as soon as you're calling it from your bank to go in to the app. You have up to $1,000 to work with. you can upgrade to a gold. It's like $5 a month, but you don't need to do that. I'm showing you how you can make money just using the money, and you can cash out. Go to the ATM with the cash management. It gives you a card, a free ATM card, and there's ATM maps where you can go to fee-free ATMs to cash out. And if you don't have a lot of money in there and all you're doing is using a little bit of money that you got from them to buy and sell, cash out, use what you made to keep putting back in, and don't sell it until it goes higher. But like I said, if you got more people to do this, that's why I'm surprised there's not bigger companies that are actually putting together groups to actually do this on a way bigger scale. And when you got a lot more money to work with, like banks do, they should be on this. And there are no rules to how many times you can buy and sell. You don't have to. You don't. It's a lot different. That's why it doesn't make any sense. And I read into all this stuff, and I even thought, it was a scam. The way, it's not gonna work. They're trying to wait to vote on it to be a run along side of our USD. And I know China ain't liking it because our money's already not backed by anything. We don't have the resources to back what our money is supposed to be made to say, that it's worth this. And our money's worth more than the entire world that they actually playing by the rules that you're supposed to. But anyways, this Bitcoin and other cryptos, I seen they jump too, but I'm just practicing with free money. I'm not even using anything other than the free money that they give you, and actually I didn't even do it with the free stocks that I got. I just started with the dollar that I got, and you just have to cash out and then play with the money that you already made. It can be done a lot more. I'm not getting rich by any means, but I'm gonna have to file taxes. Okay, and I'm doing it slow because I'm doing other videos. I'm doing other stuff. And my daughter, I'm doing other stuff on like TikTok because she was interested in that. And I got a lot of TikToks, and I got the link tree. I've been putting all my social media on, and with a little story too. It's kind of cute whenever you read down it, and it's like the words that the apps are actually called. It kind of has a little story that goes along with it. It's pretty funny if you read it, and you're grown up, you can actually understand kind of funny things. But people should be making a lot more money, and I'm showing how you can do it just for free. So like I said, you could take it or leave it, but the information's out there. Like I said, and you probably still need to be walked through it, and I'm gonna be putting some videos out there. But it's when you read the stipulations and terms and conditions and stuff like that, and you know what the rules are, it's like, why ain't everybody doing it? Because everybody doesn't read the terms and conditions and subterms conditions and know the rules on how it works, and why people are making a lot of money on this Bitcoin. Even when it's going down, it's still going up and down at such huge fluctuations that there's money to be bought and sold and make money. And even when it's small money, you're still making money. It's ridiculous. Anyways, that's all for this video. But I'm trying to tell anybody to do this, and I just feel like, I don't think they're really into it because they know probably got sucked into some scams and had to figure out how to get out of the subscriptions they didn't know that they was getting into. I'm even working on figuring out other banks that you could actually use before you actually use a better one that you can actually get money from, so that you're not kind of messing up the bonus benefits first, figuring it out and making sure you can make money on it first before actually doing the ones where you can get referral bonuses. I'm trying to figure everything out here to help people. Like seriously, it's ridiculous what I got figured out, and ain't nobody jumping on it. It's like, why not? You know, what do I got to do to show people? Like seriously, I'm not even doing anything to make any money, and especially this Robinhood app, it's really pissing a lot of people off because people people like stockbrokers. It's in the name itself, broker. You know what I'm saying? You done con some girl into buying some stocks and having you play with her money. You having fun because you gambling and you having fun with somebody's money, and whether they lose money or make money, you still making money. Seriously, it's ridiculous, and they are getting pissed off about it. I'm here to tell you, but that's all for this one. Later.